Hi guys, in this video we will see how to turn off your Apple Watch in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, press and hold the side button on your Apple Watch. Don't press the digital crown, only press the side button. Press and hold the side button and such type of a screen you will see. After a few seconds, you will see the power options appear on the screen. Now tap the power icon from the top right corner and slide the power off button from left to right and your Apple Watch will successfully turn off. Your Apple Watch will now shut down completely. To turn it back on, simply press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. And that's how you turn off an Apple Watch easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. That's all.